Julie, who's that? Is that your dada?
I love you.
Squeeze his face.
She loves daddy.
Julie, say dada.
Dada. Dada.
Say da 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 da. Because you'd never say mama. Julie. Ooh, mama. No, I'm not calling you. Play with your daddy. I'm not calling you. Go with daddy. No. You left him hanging. You left him.
Back. She felt bad. She looked back at me because she felt bad.
You left daddy hanging. Oh.
Princess.
Yeah. Julie. Your hair is a mess, girlfriend. You gotta shave it off. Daddy says no. You know. It's about to drop. I had her laughing before with the barking. Alright, say, Julie, say bye-bye. Oh, there she goes. Julie, say bye-bye. Julie, say bye-bye.